2 days in Narooma. Just the ticket. I'm not riding today, I'm just going to sit here on the balcony.
You do you, boo.
You know why? Because of that. Not sure if you can see the ocean in the background, but it's there. The serenity, Rochelle, the serenity.
It's very nice.
Of the south coast of New South Wales.
It's just what I needed this week, can I say?
I think the Cars wrote a song about that. Dun, 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 you are just what I needed. I think I might have even got that line wrong.
You know, you can turn the camera on yourself when you're doing those little skits.
Well, I'd rather not. So now you want an e-bike?
Yeah. Well, just for the holiday.
Oh, because I went to buy you one once and you said, no, get real, don't be lazy, you're supposed to be pedalling.
It's supposed to be pedalling.
Uh-huh.
But an e-bike here would be fun.
Oh, right. Just more expense for me. I'm not sure that microphone's picking up your little Minnie Mouse voice.
It will.
Nor mine.
It'll pick it up. You don't need a microphone.
How dare. I'm in the dark because the sun's not shining on me.
Nice hat, champ.
Oh, look. I'm on my way to a rodeo.
Thank God you finally come to my side.
Uh-huh.
Horse world.
Uh-huh. Either way, our hobbies cost too much money.
How are you feeling today? Oh?
How am I feeling?
Yeah.
I'm feeling pretty good. I'm feeling pretty chilled.
What a spot, Mr.
Oh, mate. Bermagui. And when we love Narooma, incoming. Did you get the seagulls?
I did.
A flock of seagulls. And I ran so far away. I don't know the next line. I'm not a British pop expert. Have a look at this beautiful cove in Bermagui, south coast of New South Wales. We really need to come down here at some point and spend at least 4 or 5 days, a couple of blocks away from here, walking down to the cove. The colour of the water, Rochelle.
I can see it. It's very
stunning.
Very...
What are you laughing at now?
Your antics, Mr.
What
Brooks.
antics?
If I had my own YouTube channel, I would be filming your content and your commentary, and I'd get thousands of views.
Pretty rude and disrespectful.
I don't think so.
To me.